Have you ever had a dining table that just didn't fit into your space, like it made the whole room feel cramped and stressful instead of cozy? That was exactly us. Our last kitchen table was way too big for the area we had it in. It took over the whole room, and honestly, it made everything feel cluttered and tight. I wanted something that felt lighter, more open, but still functional for our family. And I also didn't want to sacrifice style. I wanted something that actually looked beautiful in the space. When we found this, it checked every box. The table completely changed how our room feels. It gave us space back, but also gave us more options when we need them. This is the GarveeHome Extendable Dining Table, and here's exactly what you get. One extendable dining table, chairs not included, a built-in expandable leaf that stores right inside, a heavy-duty black metal frame, a durable engineered wood tabletop, and adjustable feet to keep everything stable. It starts at about 63 inches long, perfect for everyday use, and expands to 83 inches when you need more space. It comfortably sits 6 to 8 people. The leaf is honestly my favorite part. It's built right into the table so you don't have to store anything separately. You just slide it out, extend it, and you're done. It's smooth, easy, and takes seconds, which is perfect for people who come over last minute. This is what makes it so good for smaller spaces. When it's not extended, it doesn't overwhelm the room. It actually makes everything feel more open and breathable. But when you need it, it grows with you. This table is built to last. It's scratch resistant, which is great if you have kids or just use it daily. It's heat resistant, no stressing over hot plates. It has a waterproof surface. Spills are no big deal. And it holds up to 350 pounds, so it's super sturdy. The industrial modern look is so good. That warm brown wood plus the metal black frame, clean, cozy, and timeless. It works with modern designs, farmhouse designs, mid-century designs, pretty much anything. This table made our space feel intentional, like everything finally fits the way it should. It's not just a table, it's where we gather, where we sit, where life happens, and now it actually feels calm and inviting instead of crowded. Okay, real talk. It does take some time to put together. It is a little tedious, but everything is labeled, the instructions are clear, and once it's done, you're done. It's one of those put in the effort once and enjoy it for years situations. If you're worried it won't fit, this is actually ideal for smaller spaces because it doesn't stay oversized all the time. Is it sturdy? There's no wobbling here. The metal frame is adjustable and is very solid. For us, this solved everything. It fit our space perfectly, it looks high-end and beautiful, and we can expand it anytime we need more room. I love how easy the leaf is to use. That alone makes such a difference. No more keeping it in the back of a closet somewhere where you have to pull it out when guests come. We use this table for everything, family meals, working, hosting, even just sitting and talking. It's become the center of our home again, but in a way that actually works. If your current table feels too big, too small, or just not right for your space, this is such a great upgrade. It gives you flexibility, style, and function all in one. It's one of those purchases that just makes your home feel better. Go grab it. You'll wish you did it sooner.